Okay, so since we still have more time and we don't have any more questions, I'm going to take this whole shortcode question another step further. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a Twitter shortcode. And this Twitter shortcode is going to be the kind of link that encourages or that posts the post to Twitter. And so I'm borrowing the code here from, let's see, from WP Recipes. They've got this little piece of, well, I guess it's HTML code. They've got this bit of WordPress code. It's an HTML link, really, that I'm going to turn into a shortcode. And so we're going to start off with back to custom functions PHP. Oh, this is, yeah, this is the one we're working on. And so I guess first off, we'll just control copy. This function defines our, let's see, Twitter shortcode. And function BYOB Twitter. And again, that, let's see, is that going to require content? You know, that doesn't require content, so I don't need those ATTS and the content equals null. I can leave that blank. And so I'm going to opening and closing brackets, and then I got to go back and capture that code again. Okay, control copy. Come back over here, and I'm going to say let's see, $. BYOB underscore Twitter, twit, BYOB underscore twit equals, and then I'm going to paste that code, I think, right? So let's see if that works, actually. So we've got this. Currently reading, and then there's the permalink. So I'm going to stop it there, actually, and drop back down, and again say BYOB twit equals, whoops, that's dot equals, and then quote, actually, not a quote. Actually, I'm going to get rid of that PHP, and I'm going to get rid of this, and I'm going to drop it down again and say $BYOB underscore twit, point equals, and then a single quote, title, click to send this page to Twitter, target equals blank, share on Twitter, A, and then that. Okay, let's see. This suggests we have a problem here. Ahref equals, oh, you know, I think, oh, I see. Why is that a problem? I'm missing something. Oh, yeah, I'm missing the semicolon. Okay, so this is the concatenation symbol, so BYOB twit equals this plus this plus this. And then we're just going to create a shortcode. So add shortcode. Whoops. And then opening, closing parentheses, and I think I'll just say twit. And then opening and closing quotes again, and BYOB Twitter, name of the function. And then a semicolon at the end of that. Okay, and then we are going to go ahead and save this. So we've created this little bit of HTML, a little bit of PHP. Concatenate. Oh, we need the return statement. That's right. So now we need return, and then the $ BYOB twit, semicolon. Okay, so that's going to return the contents of this to the location we do that. So let's go ahead and save this. And then we'll come over here and we'll upload it. And then we're going to go to the site. And I think what I'm going to do here at the very beginning of this is just do twit. So TWIT, and update it. We're going to refresh this. And there it is, share on Twitter. You can see the title, click to send this page to Twitter. And if I click that, it brings up my login for me to add it. And so there you go. We've got a little shortcode that, so you don't need a whole plugin. You can put a little shortcode in that will do this instead. And I guess since we have 10 more minutes, we could substitute out the link for an image. So we could simply remove that, save it. Then I've got to come back to the site here. I've got to go get a piece of an image for this. So we will go to Media Library, add new, select file. I'm going to go to the place where I have my icons, websites, graphics, icons. I think that this Twitter ping is probably what I want. So open that up. File is empty. Okay, select a file again. Okay, Twitter ping. Huh. Well, let's try a different uploader. Now choose the file. And data, websites, graphics, icons, Twitter ping, upload. Okay, there it is. So now we'll edit it and we'll copy it. And let's come back over here for a second. So I think I need to say class equals twit. Yeah, I need to add a class to that. And then here, what we're going to do is dot twit a, and we're going to say background image URL. Okay, there's the URL. Close it, semicolon, background image, and then we're going to say height, colon, I think that's like 32 pixels, 32px, width, colon, 32px. Okay, so we have just defined a thing. We've defined the A. It's got a height and width of 32 pixels, and it's got a background image. So we'll go ahead and save that, and we'll go ahead and save that, and we'll upload them. And let's see whether or not that works. I'm all excited about it now. Demo 3. I must have failed to... No, I didn't fail to get rid of that. Okay, so... Oh, that should be... Maybe I didn't get it uploaded properly. Custom functions PHP file, upload. Come back over to here, refresh. Well, this is the one reason why I use custom file editor. Let's see, do I have a twit down there? I do have a twit. Okay. How about my custom functions PHP file? So I have a twit down there. I definitely have a twit. And I don't have that extra code. So something that used to be working is no longer working. Maybe this is a problem. Maybe you can't. What I should have really done is done this a div. And then come back down to here and the closing div. Yeah, let's try that. Okay, if we inspect that element, format text, div class twit, class div class twit. What did I do wrong? Oh, it's missing the semicolon. You know, you just can't you just can't screw this stuff up and have it work. Oh, it's late at night now. That's my problem. So then we will bring that back up. Refresh that. Come back over here and refresh this. Come on, baby. Okay, so it can find that just fine. No problem with the image itself. 48. Oh, it's display block. That's right. Forgot about that. If we come over here to CSS, edit CSS, custom CSS, come down here and say display block. BLOCK, semicolon. That's interesting. I think I need to say clear both as well. Okay. Call it 48. 48. Click to send this to Twitter. There it is. And so now, you know, this obviously I think folks generally use a different Twitter button than this for this purpose, but nevertheless, if we click on that now, it takes us over to Twitter. So that clearly does the job. That was 48 by 48. It needed to be display block, colon, block, semicolon, and it needed to clear both of those others. So clear, colon, both. Semicolon. Now we save that document and we upload it. Now this is the one here, upload it. We come back over here and we refresh it. Okay, what did I do? I have class twit. What on earth did I do now? Actually, I screwed up the stuff somehow. I must have, in my fatigue, it didn't even, I don't have it changed. Yeah, because I changed with custom functions PHP, not custom CSS. There we go. Off we go to Twitterland. Okay, so look at that. It's 10:02. We got an interesting little conversation about how to use shortcodes in WordPress, and I think I answered the questions that were on our list. So thank you very much, everybody, for participating tonight.